This video is just an introduction of the syllabus of FSSAI CBT2 for Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer. Principles and basics of food chemistry and their role in human nutrition. The first subtopic in this section is structure, functions of macro and micronutrients. Nutrients. There are 6 general classes of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates. They are the bulk of our diet, the chief source of energy. 70% of energy requirement for all our body function is obtained from carbohydrates. Energy is produced by oxidation or internal burning of carbohydrate in animal cells using oxygen. It helps in utilization of protein and fat. Carbohydrate, when consumed in excess, are converted into fat and are to be used when needed. The main source of carbohydrate in diet are starch and sugar. In starch, they are cereals and tubers. Tubers like potato, cassava, etc. Sugar like sugarcane, fruits, etc. Fats or lipids. Most concentrated form of energy in the food, furnish more than twice the number of calories per gram furnished by carbohydrates and protein. Compared to carbohydrates, fats contain a less percentage of oxygen and more percentage of hydrogen, and consequently on oxidation leads more energy. 30% of energy requirement are met by fat. When excess energy is supplied to the body, it is stored as fat. Fat are abundant in both plants and animals. In plants, they are confined to cytoplasmic membrane or as reserve material. Fat content in fruits is poor, except in avocado and olive. Groundnut, butter are rich sources of fat. The fat in animals are seen in adipose tissue. Proteins. They are the building material for the body. They play an important role in structural constituent of cellular membrane and function in maintenance and repair of body tissues. They function as biocatalyst. Food value depend upon the amino acid present in the protein. Amino acid are the structural units of protein. The excess of protein not required for building may be used as source of energy. Protein found on both plant and animal tissues. Meat, fish, poultry, egg, milk, and cheese are good source of protein food from animal sources. Pulses and cereals contain considerable amount of storage proteins. Soybean is a good source of protein, that is about 40% on dry weight basis. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of protein. Starchy vegetables contain up to 2% protein, whereas the fruits and vegetables are poor source of protein. Vitamins. They are also known as accessory nutrients, required for proper utilization of bulk of food of the diet, and are required for maintenance of good health. Vitamins, together with minerals, are involved in small quantities in the regulation of body processes. They are constant of enzymes which function as catalyst for many biological reactions with the body. They are found in plants and animals. Their content in plant tissue varies widely depending upon the growing condition, stage of maturity, handling, processing, and storage of these food materials. They are not uniformly distributed in plants. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins. Wheat is an excellent source of B vitamins, but the bran and germ containing the bulk of these nutrients are removed during processing. Since vitamins are simple organic substances, they are easily synthesized and synthetic vitamins are therefore added to enrich or supplement those found in food products. Minerals. They are catalysts for many biological reactions within the body. Their other function include building of bones and other structural parts of the body, muscle contraction, transmission of messages through nervous system, and digestion and utilization of nutrients in food. Some minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and sulfur are required in large quantities, whereas some like zinc, copper, iodine, manganese, cobalt, etc., are required in small quantities. Minerals are found in food from animal as well as plant sources. Mineral content of plant depend upon the mineral present in the medium of their cultivation. The distribution of particular mineral element vary in different tissues of plants. Mineral, same as vitamins, are added to food to enrich it. Water. They are the ideal medium for transporting dissolved nutrients and waste throughout the body. Apart from the consumption of water as such, body needs of water are supplied by the food we consume. There are some food which contain high percentage of water. Oxidation of carbohydrates, fats and protein in the body yield water. Thank you.